Let's talk about dental plans, waiting periods. What are they? That's when you sign up for a plan and they tell you gotta wait 3 months, 6 months, maybe longer to receive any kind of dental care. What? You tell me that when I sign up for something, I gotta wait? Well, what happens when you wait for something? When it comes to your smile, your teeth, your mouth? Well, when time goes by, it's only gonna get worse. And when things get worse, what happens? It's gonna cost more money. It's gonna require more significant care. So that the reason why you got the dental benefits was to take care of it before you won't get to that point. But as you waited, because the dental insurance company wanted you to wait because of your friend, it got worse and you ended up needing a root canal where a simple white restoration to remove the cavity would have fixed the issue. But no, you had to wait. See, dental insurance is not anybody's friend. They're not your friend. They're not the dental office's friend. They're in it to make money. They want to deny claims. They want to stall. They want to slow pay. And that's just the way a for-profit insurance company actually works. It's not right, but the way it is. So you have to understand your dental benefits, your dental insurance. To know if they have waiting periods, understand how the maximum works, and how they actually pay percentages of every procedure to slow pay out that maximum benefit. Not a fan. Not a fan. It really just ruins the relationship between us, me and you. And it's sad. So don't wait. Get the care you need because they're not in it for you. Stop that cat from getting bigger. Get it while it's smaller, and ultimately you'll save money even though you got some dental benefits. All right? That's after I don't know how many years of experience. A lot of years of experience.